Alright, let's talk about something we all know, and probably have stuffed in a drawer somewhere, the medical mask. Believe it or not, these things have a wild history, and they've been around a lot longer than you might think. Way back in the 17th century, masks looked nothing like the blue rectangles we see today. Doctors in Europe were facing the terrifying bubonic plague, and they wore these super creepy beak-shaped masks filled with herbs and flowers. The idea? That the scents would filter out the bad air they believed caused disease. Did it work? Not really, but hey, at least they tried. Fast forward to the late 1800s. In Germany, a surgeon named Karl Flügge discovered that droplets from our mouths, yeah, the stuff you can't see, could actually carry bacteria. This was huge. Suddenly, doctors realized that covering their mouths and noses could actually help stop infections. That's when masks started to look a little more familiar. By 1897, a surgeon named Johann Mikulicz started using gauze masks during surgery. It caught on quickly, and soon, hospitals everywhere began using them to protect patients and doctors alike. Then came the 1918 flu pandemic. Suddenly, masks weren't just for doctors, they were for everyone. People lined up in the streets, all wearing homemade masks made of cloth or gauze, trying to protect themselves from the deadly virus. It was the first time the world saw masks as a tool for public health, not just for the operating room. Over the years, masks got better. By the mid-20th century, we got disposable masks, usually made of paper or fabric. And as science improved, so did our understanding of how diseases spread. That led to the modern surgical mask, the lightweight, disposable kind that became a symbol of healthcare workers everywhere. Of course, in 2020, masks went mainstream like never before. The COVID-19 pandemic made masks a part of everyday life for billions of people across the planet. We saw everything from colorful cloth masks to high-tech N95s, each one a reminder of how far we've come and how important these simple tools still are. So next time you slip on a mask, remember, you're part of a story that's been unfolding for centuries. From plague doctors to modern hospitals and from science to everyday life, the medical mask is more than just a piece of cloth. It's a piece of history, right on your face. Thanks for listening.